Okay, so we have continuing this again from the point where we are stopped. Okay, so what is the third step? Axis is inclined at angle 45 degrees. So see this part very carefully. Axis is inclined means what? True length of axis is inclined. So you have true length of axis in this view. Now we are rotating this part. So here I am not getting true length of axis. This P dash Q dash is not equal to here this line. This length is not 60. See this. This is 56.7352. Okay, this is your true length of the axis. This is what? 60. Okay. So if your axis is inclined means what? True length of axis should be inclined. Okay. But this is not a true length of axis. This is actually elevation of the axis. But this is front view of the axis. Okay. See this line carefully here. This is what? 56.7. So this is less than 60. Okay, so I cannot project this line at 45 degree line. Because 45 degree is for the true length of axis. But this is not the true length of axis. This is front view of the axis. So what we have done, we have drawn 45 degree line. And there I have taken point P dash randomly somewhere. The point P dash, you have to take a point P dash, you have to take a height approximately equal to a height above xy. So suppose this P dash is this much height above xy, so approximately at that level you have to take it, so that these two should not intersect with xy line. Okay, so I have drawn this P dash Q dash, and I have to redraw this complete figure with respect to not this line. After that, I have to I have taken 45 degree line, then I have marked here 60 mm. Okay, from this point I have taken as Q1 dash. From P dash on this 45 degree line, I have marked 60 mm, and from that point, I have taken Q1 dash point. From Q1 dash, I have drawn horizontal locus. Now I will take this line, okay, or I will copy this distance P dash O dash from the second stage. So I will copy this distance P dash O dash from the second dash. Okay, second stage. Yes, CO enter. Sorry, not copy. I will use move command. Yes, M enter. With this point and this point here. Okay, again I will do that, and enter. Base point will be my display dash. I will press it here. Okay, say this. So the intersection of, I will try to avoid further confusion. So the intersection of PQ. So this is the point. So I will join this P dash with the intersection point, and this is my O dash point. So this P dash O dash is my real axis. Okay, P dash Q dash was what? Your true length of the axis. So this is your true length of axis. This is 60 degree, P dash Q dash. Okay, and P dash O dash is what? Your front view of the axis. Okay. Now, you could have been drawn this P dash O dash directly on 60 degree if they could have been said like instead of axis, if they could have been said front view of axis inclined. If they could have been said front view of axis inclined, then this line, we don't need to do this construction. We could have been drawn this P dash O dash directly on this line. Okay, but they have said axis inclined, means what? True length of axis. Okay, so it's like this. So now with this P dash O dash, you have to redraw this figure again. Okay, now I have direct facility in AutoCAD. Redraw, you have seen in second stage how to redraw this. Okay, so I will copy this or move this everything here. Okay, and then I will rotate it. I have rotation command. Okay, for rotation arrow enter, This is my base point, and then for reference I will type R enter. Now what I want P dash O dash should match here. Okay, so this is how I have rotated. Now, so this is my this is what my front view. Okay, so after rotation you will get view like this. This line I will make as axis. Match properties. And enter. So this is my axis. P dash O dash. Okay, there are double points. So P dash O dash is my rotated axis. Okay, so this construction you have to do, extra construction you have to do only if they are saying axis is inclined. If they are saying front view of axis is inclined, then you can directly draw on 45 degree. Okay, you don't need to do this construction. Okay, now we will move next. So then I have to take projections from here to draw top view, the final figure of the third stage. So this 4 and 5 are projected. Better if you go number wise. 2 has been shifted somewhere, so I will move it. Okay, so 2 will come here. Then normally remaining is O. Okay, now from here I will take projections. This is 1. 1, 2, 1. 1 is this. Then 2 and 5 have the common projected. Then 2 and 5. Now you don't need to take 3 and 4, they are already there. Now you just have to make them, you just have to copy this. So 3, we will go number wise. So this is 1. 1 will come at the intersection of 1. This is 1 generator. This is here. Then 2. So 2 from front view and 2 from top view. Then 5 is coming here. Then 4. 4 will be here. Then 3. And then O. O should be here. Okay, now join these all points with the first rule is what? We should join outermost point dark. So O to 2, 2 to 1, 1 to 5, 5 is the outermost, 5 to 4, 4 to, now directly it will go to the O. Okay, now see the top view. To look at the top view, you are looking from here. Okay, so your direction of observation is this. The direction of observation is this. Okay, so O5 is visible to you. So O5 you can directly draw. Okay, so once you got this triangle, remaining line should be hidden. Okay, now remaining is what? 2 to 3. 2 to 3 should be hidden. Now you cannot intersect visible lines. So 2 to 3 should be hidden. Okay, and all your slant edges are also done. The O1 slant edge is remaining. The O1 slant edge should be visible. Okay, O1 slant edge should be visible. Okay, because you can see O1 also. Okay, so this is done. So this is your final figure. And if you want to project axis, you can project it. In top view also, P dash from here should come here, and P dash from here should come here.